What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a kind of week in my life vibe. Today I'm running a few errands. I'm going to Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, maybe taking some pictures with Alyssa, and then working out tonight. So I made a grocery list for Trader Joe's and Whole Foods. We're buying majority at Trader Joe's, but just Whole Foods has things that Trader Joe's just doesn't have. Essentially, we're going to need a bunch of things for dinner this week. We're making burgers, tacos, some chicken, salads, things, just yummy, great things. So come along with me. So I'm going to bring a little content bag. It's honestly I have my tripod, my AirPods. I'm gonna bring my extra battery, my camera, and yeah. I got this adorable belt from Status Anxiety. She's adorable. I just honestly feel like a brown belt with this would look really cute. All right, let's see how this belt looks. We actually love it. I'm gonna pair my Golas with them. They're so cute. They're my newest babies. I think I'll just wear these. These are literally from Amazon. Anyways, let's head to the car. Hi, I was calling because tomorrow I have a class at 9 a.m. and something last minute popped up. Is there any way I can switch it?
Okay, you want to switch from the 9 to the, what time? The 12?
Yeah, the 12.
No problem. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too. So I almost messed myself up. So tomorrow I have a class at 9 a.m. for Pilates, but I literally have a casting for Kylie at 9:25. So I was like, I'm nervous though that it's still going to be sometimes castings like that are so wild because so many people want to be a part of it, you know? Anyways, I'm in my car now, about to go pick up Alyssa, and then we're going to head to Trader Joe's first. So yeah, let's go grocery shopping. Look inside my head, I just might pray. Let's go grocery shopping, shall we? Okay, so we just left Trader Joe's. We're heading to Whole Foods now. But yeah, let's go grocery shopping. Okay guys, we just finished grocery shopping. So now I'm gonna put everything away in the fridge. This is bad. You can throw it away. Okay guys, so right now I'm prepping things for the week. I'm making some sweet potatoes. I'm going to boil some eggs for my breakfast in the morning. Hi, Schmuckums. Come here. You want to say hi to the vlog? This is my Schmuckums. She hates it when I give her this much love. It smells so good. She's so brave. She's well behaved. She is not afraid. Kick my ass. Okay, time to put the eggs in. Okay guys, the sweet potatoes are done. They look so good and yummy. The more crisp they are, the sweeter they are, and it smells so good and sweet right now. I'm going to put some salt on it, and then I'm going to let it cool and then assemble my favorite salad for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna make my favorite salad with you guys. It's including the mix that I showed you guys from Trader Joe's. I already have a pre-washed one that this is from the other night at dinner. I keep it in this so it doesn't get bad. This is one of my favorite lunch items because it gets all of my vitamins and everything. Which, if you guys don't know, I'm regulating my hormones and getting off birth control, all these things. So diet is very important for that. Today I'm focusing on vitamins, like getting these vitamins in, protein, all of that. So we have the arugula. It also has shaved carrots in it, but we're gonna put more. We have some chickpeas. We're going to dump the rest in. Perfect. So normally I shave some extra carrot on top, but this is just so much easier than having to do that. Carrots are so good for hormone health and all that. So this is what we're working with so far. I'm gonna put a lot of the sweet potato in. We're also gonna crack an egg. Even though I had an egg for breakfast, we're gonna have an egg again at lunch. I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm going to add, this is the dressing. A lot of times I'll try to put like chicken and stuff in here, but I just don't have any leftover chicken, so. And then sweet potatoes, we're gonna put a lot of these. So we're gonna give this salad a good toss. Fun fact, my first job was Panera. I wasn't the cook, but I was a cashier, so. I know a lot about mixing salads. And then we're gonna put some Parmesan cheese on top. Now she's ready. Now we have a big ass salad. Lunch. This is essentially sweet green. This salad is so bomb. I'm gonna eat the rest of this and edit some videos, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Okay, so we're on a roof. So the wind is crazy because there's supposed to be a severe thunderstorm tonight, but honestly it could be a vibe. We just don't know yet. Okay guys, it is so unbelievably windy. Oh, by the way, I'm getting my hair wet for the next shot. Like I said, there's supposed to be a thunderstorm. Severe thunderstorm tonight. But for this look, we're going wet hair. I think we're ready. You're in the way. You're in the way, Smuckums. It's dinner time, baby. Okay, it's time to make dinner. We kind of had some technical difficulties with her film camera, but hopefully we got something. Tonight for dinner, I'm making burgers. I'm gonna make sweet potato fries and normal fries just because I just love these sweet potato fries with my heart. I'm gonna start off with the fries because those take the longest. So I'm using these sweet potato fries that I got earlier, and then these fries. Okay, so I just finished cooking. I've burnt some of these, but it's okay because they're yummy. I'm currently toasting some buns, and then we'll be ready to eat. So I'm very excited because I'm hungry. Okay, so we have our burgers. Show them yours. So I put lettuce, pickles, tomato, or ketchup, mustard. Delightful. We're gonna watch the rest of this movie and then I'll see you guys when I'm done.